चलें, ये बर्ड शो के लिए रेडी है बंदे। यहाँ पे बर्ड शो होगा, 11 बजे का टाइम है। मैं भी बस पूरे टाइम पे पहुँचा हूँ। बड़े बंदे आए हुए हैं। मेरे ख्याल से ये आ गए और हम देखते हैं जाके कहीं पे। मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ी देर में ही शुरू होने वाला होगा।
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and a warm welcome to the Montecasino Bird Gardens. How's everybody doing this morning? Oh, come on guys, it's a beautiful day. It's getting warmer. I'm going to ask again, how's everybody doing today? Well, that sounds a whole lot better. As I said, a warm welcome to the Montecasino Bird Gardens. My name is Jean, and I'll be presenting a short little bird demo here this morning. Now we have 5 birds coming out, joining us on stage, and they are incredibly excited to come out and meet all of you today. Before we get going though, we've got a slight problem on stage. Can anybody tell me what the issue on stage is? What is not a part of our stage setup? Shout it out.
There's no bird.
Go for it guys, what's the issue here?
No bird!
There you go. There's a bin with some items of litter, and this is a massive problem, not only here in South Africa, but in fact all over the world, and I think we're all just a little bit guilty. So oftentimes we're going on for pics, we're having a good time, and sadly we often forget to clean up after ourselves. And we are very lucky indeed, as we have a clever little conservation expert backstage, and he is willing to come out and show us exactly what to do when you come across litter. Now he's also a bit of a celebrity, he's been a part of our show for many years, so when he joins me on stage, he expects a loud round of applause and loads of encouragement as he's doing his routine. But I think he's just about ready to come out and join us. So from this window, please help me welcome Russell Crowe. There you go, welcome Russell, and straight away you can see he's not too impressed with the litter on stage. Now crows are actually incredibly intelligent. In fact, they have the mentality of a 5-year-old child. Very clever indeed. So what Russell's doing is picking up the tin can, he's shaking it around a little bit. It might look silly, but it is in fact a very good habit to practice, as he's actually making sure that it is empty before he pops it straight into the bin. So Russell, I do think that's quite empty. So all you're going to do is you're going to pick it up, shake it around a little bit. That is his favourite tin can. You go, having loads of fun. And whenever he's ready, he'll pop it straight into the bin for us. As I said, it's very clever. In Japan, they've actually been seen to use cars to crack walnuts for them. And I think that's just an interesting little way to find food. There you go. Now crows also practice vocal play. You know when a child reaches a certain age and they talk to themselves quite a bit? Well, crows actually do that too, but he's going in for the last tin can, making it look far too easy, of course, chopping it straight into the bin. Let's hear it one last time for the bird with brains. That was Russell Crowe. There you go, Russell. You're going to get all the way through that window for us. You know, he is a celebrity. Let's give him one round of applause. Okay, so you guys are in for a massive treat today. For our next lady joining us, she doesn't come out often anymore. In fact, she's heading into retirement in the next 6 months. She's been a part of our show for many years. She comes out about once every 2 weeks or so. She loves being out and about in front of a crowd, and she loves interacting with her trainers. Now, she's joining us all the way from Australia. And for her routine, I'm going to ask our birthday girl, Mia. She's turning 12 today. Let's give her a massive round of applause. Happy birthday, Mia. I hope you have a wonderful day with her. And she's kindly agreed to help me out with this routine. So you're going to join me in the staircase over here, right on the step. And you're obviously facing stage. We're going to see this foot. I think it's quite festival. You like it? It's a good look. Alright. So on the head it goes. Now remember, I did say, it looks like the bird will be flying to your face. It's quite old, but she will pull up at the very last second and there's safety on the hat. So it is quite friendly, no need to duck. Okay, but I think she's just about ready to come out and join us. So if I can ask everybody to please take their attention to that window over here and please help me welcome our little Larkin Kookaburra. Yes, everybody, is Sheila. Giving us a beautiful little laugh over there, and that is of course where they get their name from. Through the laugh Kookaburra, they'll use that call to mark their territory, or oftentimes just to communicate, especially during breeding season. You hear this loud and clear. And she's done a wonderful job. Let's hear it one last time for Sheila. And let's give our very brave volunteer Mia also a nice round of applause. Now on that note, we have another birthday girl. I do apologize, Nadine. Nadine is turning 10 today. Where is she? Let's give her a massive round of applause. You stay right there. I'll catch you after the show. You can stay right there. We hope you have a wonderful day at the Montecasino Bird Gardens. 10 is such a special age. Now guys, for the next 2 birds joining us, they are purely doing a training session, okay? So we are still in the process of phasing our birds back into shows. We're keeping it nice and short with them coming out of lockdown. As I said, it's been quite a process. So very, very important. If I can ask everybody to please remain seated and refrain from walking around, okay? Very important. I'm going to bring it nice and close into the seating area so you can all get a good look at them. Please don't try and reach up and touch them. And as I said, sit nice and still for us. Now the interesting thing about the macaws in general is they can easily cover up to 200 kilometers in just a single day. So they fly quite a bit. And they're not flying because they need to, because they're hunting or looking for food. They're flying because they absolutely love to. And they're also known for their fantastic aero acrobatics, especially during breeding season, when they climb to impress potential life partner. But the next two joining us are quite young still. They are known as Double Trouble. They're quite a few years away from that. But they're just about ready to come out and join us. Remember, please remain seated. Everybody, quickly take a seat for me. Please help me welcome from those 2 windows. This, everybody, is Aaron and Max. There we go. Welcome on, boys. And as you can see, they've been very success. We're going to keep it very short.